Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are here in Santa Domenica Talao for the San Giuseppe Festival, and we are really just loving this infiorata. Now the infiorata is when they take and they decorate the little via with beautiful images that they stay all night making. Now there was some rain today which did a little destruction, but it still looks very, very beautiful. So this is the infiorata. There's a mass going on. The bishop has joined us for the festival, and then they're going to have the procession. So stay tuned. We're going to show you that as well.